Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to get to the nitty-gritty and show you some very exclusive sneak peeks. We have a lot to talk about today. So we have a new launch on Monday. I have the May scent warmer of the month. I also have a mini review on the mental health collection and the Father's Day collection coming up. I just wanted to do one big video where we can just sniff and chat. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So first, I want to talk about what's happening on Monday, April 22nd, because we have new cleaning and laundry bundles that I'm so freaking excited for. If you need motivation to do your spring cleaning, or if you need an extra little boost to get you to want to put up those clothes that are stuck in the dryer, this collection is for you. On Monday, we have a brand new and a returning cleaning fragrance, and we have a brand new and returning laundry fragrance, and both are going to be available in bundles on Monday while supplies last. So first, let's talk about the clean. So the classic clean bundles will be available for $37, and these include one all-purpose concentrate, one counter clean, and one bathroom cleaner, all in the same scent. So you can get a bundle in one scent or the other, or you could get both, but you can't mix and match the actual scents within the bundle. And the brand new scent coming for this collection is Pink Sunshine. And if you got a whiff box for April, like the regular whiff box, you have already had a little sample of how good Pink Sunshine is. This was a Valentine's Day collection scent last year. I love it. I've been using the dish soap, and so if you need the rest of our cleaning products to match the Pink Sunshine dish soap from the whiff box, this bundle is for you. Pink Sunshine is a lush pear and plum, cozy up with cashmere and a glass of rose milk. So good, so fruity, perfect for spring and summer. I'm really excited for this one, guys, as this is hands down like the #1 bundle from this collection that I'm excited for. And then not only that, we are bringing back White Tea Cactus in the cleaning line with this collection. So White Tea Cactus used to be a clean scent, and it's going to be back in this classic clean bundle while supplies last. And White Tea Cactus is a clean, crisp, and refreshing floral mix with green notes. Raise your hand down in the comments if you love and miss White Tea Cactus. So same idea with our laundry bundles. And so instead of just calling them laundry bundles, I'm calling them the laundry incentive bundle. The get your clothes out of the dryer bundle. Whatever you want to call it, these bundles are going to be available for $48, and they include one laundry liquid and 2 of these small wash your whiffs tubs. And this bundle will be available in one of 2 scents. One brand new scent, Starburst Sky, is coming in the laundry for this collection. Starburst Sky is a sweet apple mesmerized by whipped vanilla and creamy coconut clouds against an amber blossom sunset. Y'all know how much I love this one. Starburst Sky was also in last year's Valentine's Day collection, and it was one of my favorites. And then returning in the laundry line specifically for this collection is Coconut and Lemongrass, which is creamy tropical coconut and sunny bright lemongrass. Lemongrass. Raise your hand down in the comments if you miss having coconut and lemongrass in our laundry line. So I'm just going to go in order of release date. So that is coming on Monday, April 22nd. And then on May 1st, we are actually launching the first ever mental health awareness collection. We have a full collection, and so I will have a full video on this, but I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the waxes because we got them in early access and I've already warmed them, so I can kind of already give you a little mini review. I really like these. They definitely all have their own unique personality traits. But these waxes will only be available as a bundle, and every sale of items in this collection in May will be going towards our charitable cause foundation. But there are 4 brand new scents. My favorite one being the blue lavender and bergamot. This is definitely the strongest one out of the 4-pack in my opinion. And this one is a lot like a men's cologne. I know that this one will also be available as a room spray, and I think this is going to be the essential oil. We have a full collection coming. I'm very, very excited, but I really, really like this one. And I warmed it with this rosemary and mint. I felt like these two just complemented each other really well. I'm not typically a minty fragrance lover. Like whenever it comes to actual mint, like spearmint type, unless it's like peppermint for like the holiday season. But I really like this because it's very fresh and clean. Like all 4 of these scents are fresh and clean and very like sensual. Like it reminds me of like a spa day bundle. And then up next we have chamomile and vanilla, which I think might be my number 2 favorite out of these 4. This one, honestly, it reminded me a lot of the chamomile scent that we had that first scent that ever released in our pets collection whenever we introduced pets in 2018. Reminds me a lot of this. I think it was like honey and chamomile or something like that, but this is chamomile and vanilla, and I warmed this one with lemon and mandarin, which actually really shocked me of how much I really liked this one. I don't know what I was thinking. I think it was mandarin that I'm just not usually like a big fan of, but I really, really like this one, and it's lemon and mandarin. Very, very nice citrusy one. So I had these 2 paired together, and then I had the green and blue paired together. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and be waiting on that full video about the mental health collection. So also launching on May 1st, we have the May scent and warmer of the month. I've actually already been warming this scent because we got a full bar of it in the April Whiff box. It's going in my office right now. And I had to do a video for this one as soon as possible because I am in love with this scent, and I was not expecting that. I was not expecting it because it looks and sounds and is a floral fragrance. It's in the floral fragrance family. And so whenever I heard the name and I read the description, I was very weary about it because I don't typically like very florally fragrances whenever it comes to like wax melting in our home. If I'm gonna have a floral scent, I like floral scents like for laundry or maybe like cleaning, something like that, like just those cleaning fresh moments. But here is the May scent and warmer of the month. I'm already gonna tell you this guy is gonna be extremely popular because we are introducing our first ever baby pink retro truck to the car lot. But up first is the scent of the month. This is Blooming Marvelous. It says, spring blossoms dance in the sun alongside ripened red currant and a gentle hint of golden amber. It is in the floral fragrance family. Guys, if you miss summer holiday, you need it. I smelled this, and as soon as I smelled it, I said, this is a big sister fragrance to summer holiday. And I think that I like this one more because it's stronger than what summer holiday was. That is what my nose is telling me. It is a big sister to summer holiday, which I loved. That was a floral that I really loved. But I don't think it's been around for like the last couple spring and summer seasons. I love this. So this is going to be available as a wax and Scentsy pods, and a room spray and a scent circle, all in May at 10% off. And if you fall in love with a wax, like I think I have, the performance has been awesome, by the way. You can add the waxes to Scentsy Club for Always Get My Bar. And now, let's open up the warmer. Guys, here she is. So if you have been following Scentsy for a while, you might recognize this retro truck warmer style. We've had a red, a blue, a black. Was that it? A red, blue, and black. And this is our first ever like girly-ish one, a baby pink. And I think she is so pretty. And so of course it comes with a topper, which is full of tulips, but you don't have to use a topper if you don't want to. So I did find out, sadly, the topper for right now is not going to be available individually, but if you do love this warmer and the topper, if you have any other retro truck warmers, the toppers for all of the trucks fit the same. Like you can mix and match, and that makes it especially easy to have these warmers for like holidays because you can put the different toppers on throughout the holidays. Or you could just use this warmer by itself if you just want the truck bed. I love these. I also love the fact that the headlights and the tail lights turn on whenever you have this warmer on. This is an element warmer. This is where the wax goes. And the wattage for this one is, it is 120 volts and 60 hertz in an 8 wattage warmer, but it's an element warmer, so it doesn't use a light bulb, but a lot of you always ask for like the wattage of the actual heating element plate. So this is the retro pink truck and flower delivery warmer. It says load up on springtime tulips with a whimsical warmer, resembling an old-fashioned pickup. Headlights and taillights are always aglow to ensure a clear path whenever it's turned on. It sits a total of 5 inches tall. It's an element warmer, and this one is going to be available for $65. But in May, it's going to be 10% off since it is the warmer of the month, and it comes with the topper. So let me show you. So like that's the back of the topper. There we go. The back of the topper has tulips all the way around. Very beautiful. And here it is on top. I love her. Last but freaking not least, let's talk about the Father's Day collection. Father's Day collection, I think, launches May 12th. One of those days. But guys, this is the best Father's Day scents I've ever had. I adore all three. And if you like cologne scents, woods, musk, fresh, manly scents, you need this 3-pack bundle. Again, the video, like the full video about the whole Father's Day collection, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the full video on that. But I had to tell y'all now because consultants have been able to get these early, and I'm warming them right now with the Blooming Marvelous. And these are so strong. It was almost so strong that it was a little too strong for me. But after that first day, it was perfect. I mean, it was still perfect the first day, but I was absolutely amazed with the strength of these scents. So first up, we're going to talk about Black Tie Affair. And on the end of month call, Sarah actually said that this smelled like Harvey Specter, and I have to agree. This one is vanilla tobacco, suits up with notes of velvetier, a spritz of white grapefruit. A velvetier and a spritz of white grapefruit. I typed that wrong. This is hands so good, guys. So good. Up next, we have Day on the Field, and this one is bergamot, energizes fresh notes of amber and sandalwood. Bergamot, amber, and sandalwood. Men's cologne. Like, I bet you if you go Google, like the common ingredient, common smell for most men's cologne on the market, you're going to get bergamot, sandalwood, and amber. So good. So clean. And then last but not least, we have Open Air Exploring. This one is jasmine blossoms flow above aquatic greens with a splash of refreshing salt water. This one is definitely the more fresh, like that salty water. So like more along the lines of like Atlantic Air and By the Sea. Remember Driftwood Bay? Reminds me like a lot of something like that. Honestly, Day on the Field and Open Air Exploring, but those remind me of Driftwood Bay. A lot like Driftwood Bay. Put these on your list if you love men's scents, like manly scents. Put them on your list. I have a feeling that all three of them are going to be going into my Scentsy Club, but because I love them that much. But yeah, guys, that's it. So that's a little wrap up of what's coming out on Monday, May 1st, and a little sneak peek into May. Please let me know down in the comments what you're excited for, what's on your list, and if there's something new that today's video helped you add to your list. I want to know. Let us know in the comments. But thank you guys for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me, and have a great day.